Uh, a crisp of cotton.
Okay, very good. A carton of crisps.
Cotton of
Crisp.
crisp.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, uh, a can of juice.
A can of juice. Okay, very good.
A box of jam.
A box of jam. Very good.
A jar of milk.
A jar of milk. Okay.
A jar of salt.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. A jar of sugar.
Okay.
A tin of tuna.
Correct. A tin of tuna. Okay, very good. So now go to page 8. How
Mhm.
much and how many? So these are example of uncountable nouns that is singular. So if you will say short answer, how much sugar do you eat? You can just say a lot, quite a lot, a little. If you want full answers, you can say I eat a lot of sugars. I don't eat much sugars. So here are some examples of uncountable nouns, short answers and full answers. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Go to page 9.
Mhm. Yes.
Can you read grammar how much and how many?
How much and how many is?
Yes.
We use how much with the uncountable nouns,
Mm-hmm.
and how many with the plural countable nouns.
Mm-hmm.
We use a lot of with countable noun and uncountable noun for the big quantity, quite a lot for a medium quantity, a little with the uncountable noun for a small quantity, a few, not many with countable plural nouns
Mm-hmm.
for a small quantity, not many, nor is short answer for zero quantity. A lot of, much, and or many. In sentences we usually use a lot. This is a positive and negative sentences. We usually use much and many. For example, I don't drink much water. Do you drink much coffee? It is also possible to use a lot of in uh, negative and question.
Mm-hmm.
Do you drink a lot of coffee? I don't eat a lot of vegetable.
Okay. So go to the next page, grammar. So here are some quantifiers, how much, how many, a lot of. Okay. For example, on the first picture, this is a lot. The
Mhm.
second is quite a lot. Third, a little. Next is none. Okay. So
Mhm.
that's how it is. Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So now let's try to read how much and how many. Go to page 11. How much sugar?
Yes.
So, according to the American Heart Association, a woman should have no more than 20 grams of sugar a day. So that is equivalent of 5 teaspoons. And a man no more than 36 gram, which equivalent of 9 teaspoons. How about you? How much sugar do you take a day?
I think less than 36
Mm.
uh, 6 gram.
Do you drink soda?
No, I don't like it.
Okay. How about coffee?
Or sometimes I drink coffee.
Okay. A can of Coke has approximately 35 grams of sugar. So imagine a can of Coke has approximately 35 grams of sugar. An apple has 20 grams of sugar. A small bar of dark chocolate has 40 grams. So imagine that is a lot of sugar. Okay. How about salt? How much salt do you eat a day?
Mm, I don't know.
Okay. So, a bottle of mineral water has approximately 0.0023 grams of salt. So imagine a bottle of water has salt. Okay. What did you
Mm-hmm.
eat for lunch today?
Uh, I have lunch with uh, with 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 meat and shrimp
Oh,
and
shrimps.
vegetable.
Mm,
Yes.
okay. So you eat salt today.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let's try to complete the sentence of how much and how many. Go to page 12.
Yes.
Complete the sentences with a food or a drink.
There isn't any salt in olive oil.
Very good. Okay. Number two.
There is a little sugar. A little sugar in apple.
Okay, very good. Correct. Number three.
There is quite a lot of salt in slice with white bread.
Okay, yes, correct. Next.
There is a lot of sugar in cake.
Okay, yes, there's a lot of sugar in cake. Very good. So now, okay, okay, let's try to answer page 13. How much and how many? Complete the questions with how much or how many.
Number one,
Mm-hmm.
how many liter of water do you drink?
Okay,
Number two, how much mineral water do you drink?
okay, good. So, match the sentences and the pictures.
Number one, I don't drink any water is A.
Okay,
I don't drink much water is D.
okay,
I drink quite a lot of water is C. And I drink a lot of water is B.
okay. Very good. So, how about you? How much do you drink water a day?
I drink quite a lot of water.
Mm, okay, you drink quite a lot of water.
Around, around 2 liter
Okay, 2
per day.
liters. Okay, that's good. So now jump to page 20. Jump to page 20.
Mhm.
So, pronunciation, consonant sounds, how much or how many, water, facts, and meats. Okay. Go to page 21. Listen to audio 3.
Mhm.
Then put the words in the right column.
Okay, I already done, but I don't understand what do you want I do.
Okay, put the words in the right column. Listen. So, what did you listen?
I have listened the some what, for example, sugar, fish, delicious, fresh, information, reception, shopping, special, salt, sweet, cinema. But I don't understand how to.
Okay, put that means and put it their pronunciation. Like um put it, for example, cereal. The words that belongs to cereal, the sound.
Mhm.
Rice.
Cereal, cinema,
Okay, yes.
central,
Okay.
uh, salad.
Salad.
Mm.
How about sure?
Sewer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So the how about the column that belongs to information?
Column of information. Information. Reception.
Correct?
Shopping.
Correct?
Science.
Okay.
Special.
Mm. What?
Special.
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 Mm-hmm.
Yes. Special.
Is that all?
Yes, maybe.
Okay. Yeah, I think so. So now, go to page 22.
Mhm.
Listen to audio 4.
Yes. Okay, listen,
Mm-hmm.
have done.
Okay, so let's try to read it. Okay, wait a minute. So I will be A and you will be B, okay?
Yes.
Are you sure this is salt? I think it's sugar.
No, also it is salt. I put some in the rice salad.
Let's taste the salad. Oh, it was sugar, I told you.
Sorry.
Okay, so let's skip it and go to page 26. Let's try to answer this. Page 26. How much sugar and salt do you have a day? Read the questionnaire and complete the questions. Okay, so number one.
Uh, okay, I can make now.
Okay,
Uh, how many spoonful of sugar do you have? In your tea or coffee? How many? Number one.
how many? Okay, next.
Uh, how many cans of cola do you drink a day?
Okay,
How much fruit or fruit juice do you have a day?
okay, next. 27.
27 is I see. How often do you add salt to the food at the table?
Mm-hmm.
I see. Please see the question number 5.
Okay, that is a bonus one. You don't need to answer it because it has already answered how. Proceed to number 6.
But this is how often, not how much or not how many.
Mm,
We
oh,
to
I think
what to make.
how often do you add salt to your food at
We are making the question with how much and how many.
yes, but I don't know with number 5. Mm. Okay, just proceed to number 6.
Hmm. How many takeaway food do you eat?
Okay, next.
How many bread do you eat a day?
How many bread do you eat a day? Okay, number 8.
How much cheese do you eat a week?
Okay, very good. So now I will ask you questions and you need to answer it to A, B, C, or D. Okay? So for number
Mhm.
6, how many takeaway food do you eat, Long? Like food from the restaurant.
Mm, give me 1 minute.
Mm-hmm.
I'll say. I eat I eat takeaway food. I not much
Not
eat
much.
takeaway. Not much
Okay.
eat takeaway food.
Okay. How about how many bread do you eat a day?
I eat bread. I eat bread quite a lot a week, not a day.
Okay. How much cheese do you eat a week?
I eat. I none eat.
What's
I
your answer?
none.
None. Okay, none.
Yes. I none
Okay.
eat.
So go to page 28. Speaking, how much or how many? Complete the questions with how much or how many.
Mm, how many cup of coffee?
How many cups of coffee? Or let's say how much and how many. Okay, how many cups of coffee do you drink a
Yes.
day?
Mm, I drink a liter per week, not a day.
Okay. Number 2.
Mm, yeah, it's. Do you request me to make question
Um
or answer?
no, after answering how much and how many, I will ask you. For example, um how many milk or how much milk do you drink a day? So you will
I have
answer
answer.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm waiting you make the
Ah,
question.
do you drink a day?
During what?
Number 2. What is your answer number 2?
Mm, I drink milk not much a day.
Okay, number 3.
I drink.
You need to complete how much or how many. You need to complete first,
Uh-uh.
then I will ask you, then you need to answer it.
I have to make question.
Yes.
Put the how much or how many?
Yes.
Uh, how how many glasses of wine do you drink a day? I have to make like it.
Yes. So, how many
How many
glasses of
cup?
wine do you drink a day? I will repeat it, then you will answer it.
Uh, uh-huh. Now number 4.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have to make number 4.
Okay.
Complete number 4 sentence. Yeah. How many cup of tea do you drink a day?
So, how many cup of tea do you drink a day long?
Mm, I drink not much a cup of coffee a day.
Okay. Next, number 5.
How much fruit juice do you drink a day?
How many fruit juice do you drink a day long?
I I drink not much
Mm-hmm.
fruit juice.
How about number 6?
How much beer do you drink a day?
How much beer do you drink a day long?
I drink quite a lot of beer a day.
Okay. Number 7.
How many mineral water do you drink a day?
Mm-hmm. How many mineral water long do you drink a day?
I drink mineral water. I drink quite a lot of mineral water.
Mm-hmm. Number 8.
Mm, how many cake
Coke.
do you eat?
Coke.
Coke. How many Coke do you drink a day?
How many Coke do you drink a day long?
Mm, I drink Coke. I drink not much.
Not much. Okay. Okay. Very good. So that's the end. Let's stop on page 28. Okay. So how about tomorrow? Are you available tomorrow?
Yes, around tomorrow is okay.
Okay. So can we have class? Mm, how many classes do you want?
Twice.
Okay, twice. So 9 and 11. Are you good? Or 9 or 12?
No, 12.
Okay, 9 and 12. Let's continue it tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much for today. Have a good afternoon.
Yes. Thank you, teacher. Yes. See you.